Dividend stocks are popular amongst investors, particularly ones that demonstrate a capacity to raise their dividend payments over an extended period. A Dividend King is a company that has grown its dividend payment for at least 50 consecutive years. Dividend Kings have a long history of delivering market-beating returns for investors and proving to be generally steady holdings. This incredible feat signifies not just a company's ability to grow and maintain dividends, but also its resilience and quality through numerous economic downturns and market crises. Not surprisingly, a relatively small number of companies ever reach this benchmark. On the Discover tab in the XTB app, you can see some Dividend Kings that you can invest in directly through the app. Let's look into some of the popular Dividend Kings that I'm sure you're aware of. Number 1, Target. Target has historically delivered excellent returns on shareholders' equity, with the well-known American retail corporation currently growing its dividends for the past 52 consecutive years. Target has a dividend yield of 2.63% as of the 22nd of April, with a 5-year average annual dividend growth rate of 11.51%. 2. Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson has raised its dividend for well over 50 years, and the company owns many of the world's well-known brands, including Aveeno, Neutrogena, Johnson's Baby, and Tylenol. They have a dividend yield of 3.27%. Number 3, AbbVie Inc. AbbVie is an American pharmaceutical company that focuses on developing and commercializing advanced therapies to address various medical conditions. Overall, the company has raised its dividends for 51 years in a row. The stock offers a dividend yield of 3.68% as of the 22nd of April. Number 4, Procter Gamble. There's a good chance you'll find at least a few branded products from Procter Gamble around your house, such as Febreze, Pampers, Gillette, and Oral-B. The company specializes in a wide range of personal health, consumer health, personal care, and hygiene products, with a dividend yield currently at 2.43%. Number 5, Coca Cola. Coca Cola has become more than just a fizzy drinks company. It sells a range of popular drinks like water, sports drinks, and juice. Brand names include Smart Water, Monster Energy, Fanta, and Oasis, just to name a few. The stock offers a dividend yield of 3.68% as of the 22nd of April. Some companies are not far away from being Dividend Kings. These companies haven't quite made it to the 50 years of annual payout growth, but are closing in. ADP is an example of this. The human resources and payroll outsourcing giant raised its dividend for the 49th straight year in November 2023, thus putting it on track to become a Dividend King in late 2024, should it raise its dividend again this year. Dividend Kings aren't necessarily a good fit for every investor. Many of these stocks frequently deliver relatively low growth. Their long records of growing payouts may make them reliable income generators, but this may not be the best way to safely grow your total wealth. Subscribe to XTB to stay up to date with the latest on trading and investing.